Okay, so let's dive more deeply into traffic source setuping. I will not explain what does these parameters means. If you're interested in, just watch Volume's video about these parameters. What I want to show you is the Postbacks URL, because, and by the way, before we are going to Postbacks, this cost currency is depends of the value in the cost field. So for example, if you're making advertising with euro, so you need to change it to euro or any currency you use. And about Postbacks, here is a default postback. To the traffic source, and the issue is it will not work because here is the line replace event name, and you need to set this event name the same as your conversion event in your traffic source. For example, I will show you on Taboola. So on Taboola you have this tracking tab in the left side. And this event name is depending of what event name you will use in your traffic source. So if you're going to use just one default postback, so guess it will be the sale, the purchase event. So you need to create purchase event. Choose here purchase, and this is your event name. So you need to copy this event name here. You can anyway, and set this URL with appropriate event name. That's the thing you need to know about the Postbacks. I will show you how it looks like a real traffic source. So here we have a lot more tokens, and here we have traffic source postbacks to traffic source depends of events in our volume. These events in volume you can add in the settings, but this settings is available only for administrators or users with admin access, and somewhere I believe it's advanced custom conversions, and this is our custom events. But if you're a media buyer, so I believe you don't need such tech details. All you need to know is that if you wanted to use it, create event. For example, if this event is add to cart, so change let's choose add to cart and create event name with add to cart. And for add to cart you don't need the revenue parameters, the currency, nothing, just this part. So you can set it as this. Same for other type events. We using widely begin checkout event, and for begin checkout event, the same as. It called start checkout event. And that's the way you can add postbacks to the traffic source based on event types. And the thing is, you can set any custom name, event name in traffic source and set it here. And so just you know, in our company we had already configured these things, so you don't need to do nothing. Like you can just use this Taboola MK Prime for Taboola traffic source in your campaigns, and all really works. So as you can see, we have a lot of events here. If you need some new event, you can request in technicians. So that's the way the postback works. The thing you need to know that postback will work only if you're sending the external ID, the add click ID, back to the traffic source. So here, as you can see, there's one field, external ID, that is the same for all the postbacks, this part, click ID. So even if you configured from scratch for your specific traffic source, just keep in mind, so you need to use external ID. But this external ID is sending in token click ID.